Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I am doing the transfer Thanksgiving corners along with, I believe it's Give Thanks. Now the corners, I am doing all of those in fawn, all one color. And of course you just put it on, you scrape off the excess, put it back in the jar, and then pull off the transfer. Now, I had meant to video the Give Thanks. I used an ombre technique. However, I didn't apparently push the record button. So what I did was I layered 3 different colors in a row. I used marigold and 2 different oranges. And I put them on a little thicker than usual. And then I took my finger with a swirling circular motion and blended each row with the colors. And that's how I ended up with the ombre effect. So there it is, hanging up on my wall. Okay guys, all done. Yay! As soon as I get done with this video, I'm going to hang this up on the wall in my dining room. Just in time for Thanksgiving. So if you enjoyed this video, if you could push the like and the share button, I would really appreciate it. And if you are on YouTube and you'd like to see more videos like this one, then if you could just push the subscribe button. I also have a VIP group, which is for customers or anybody that would like to know more about Couture. And that is Sherry Lynn's exclusive VIP group, and I'll put a link below. And I have my website. I have, there's that one. I have CHOCouture.com/Cherie Criswell. And there you can look around and browse, or you could shop or join and become a designer like me. So that's it for today. I want you all to have a very happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you next time. Bye.